For dinner tonight, we are having meatballs. We will use a pound of grass-fed beef, chili powder, sea salt, black pepper, and an egg. I'm going to combine all these ingredients and roll them into balls. I got all the ingredients in here, and now I'm going to use my hands to mix this together. You don't have to use your hands, but I like to. This is all mixed up. It only takes a couple minutes with your hands to knead all the ingredients together. Now I'm going to break this big ball apart and make it into tinier meatballs. We got the meatballs ready. They're in their shape. The oven has been preheating. It's all ready to go at 375, and we will put these in here. Tonight for our side, we're having baked cauliflower. So I'm gonna slice these two, or cut up these two little cauliflower things that we got from our food co-op. And I'm also going to put these in a baking dish in the oven for about 15 minutes. I will also season them ahead of time with some salt and pepper. Already, I actually put them in 5 minutes longer, so they were in there at 375 for 20 minutes. Now I will top them with some shredded cheese. It's not the easiest to top this with cheese since they're rounded, but it'll still melt on there. We'll use the rest of the cheese on the cauliflower when it's done. The cauliflower is done. Just gonna stir it up and add some cheese, and we'll add it to the plates. Here's the final product. I got the baked cauliflower and the meatballs, and that's it. I'll add some kraut. That's right here. Our homemade sauerkraut. That's what I'll have too when I'm done with this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys give it a like, subscribe, and go watch our other videos.